Today we'll teach you how to maintain a TAICO IP21 rated inverter, with the aim of extending its lifespan by 3 to 5 years. This is a 6 kilowatts inverter paired with a 16 kilowatt-hour solar system. Next, we will perform maintenance on it. We need to prepare a pair of anti-static gloves. First, disconnect the main AC switch and the PV input switch. Then turn off the battery's DC switch. Let it stand for at least 10 minutes to allow the capacitors to fully discharge. Confirm that all panels are unlit and all indicator lights are off. Do not disassemble the inverter casing, as this will void your warranty. Then remove the heat dissipation vent covers on both sides. Use a hairdryer on a cool setting to blow away the dust. And clean the dust-proof cotton and heat dissipation covers with a brush. Use a brush to clean the surface dust of the heat dissipation holes. Reinstall the dust-proof cotton and heat dissipation covers. Inverter casing inspection: no deformation, cracks, damage. Finally, check that the cable connections are secure and that the cables are intact. No abnormalities found. Open the circuit breaker switch and battery switch. Open the inverter switch. Open the AC main switch and PV input switch. System operating normally. This concludes the daily maintenance video for the TAICO IP21 inverter. For more videos, please visit TAICOpower.com.